Ferrari is the poster car of poster cars. Dozens of new supercar brands have tried to take down this automotive titan, and most of them failed. But now a new contender has appeared. Hailing all the way from China, Hongqi hopes to become the new top dog in the supercar world with their stylish S9. And they're bringing the fight right to Ferrari's doorstep. Like, quite literally. They moved shop to be neighbors with Ferrari. If you're a clueless American like me, then there's a pretty good chance you've never heard the name Hongqi before. I know I hadn't, but I did some research, and it turns out they're the largest and oldest car brand in all of China. They were founded in the 1950s and have a long line of luxury sedans and SUVs, which even includes a collaboration with Ford in 1998. The funniest thing is, all their models sound like license plate numbers. There's the CA770, the CA630, and hey, let's not forget the legendary CA7242E6. I mean, come to think of it, I bet this car would make a really strong password. Hongqi is a subsidiary of First Automotive Works, which is a state-owned car manufacturer that is looking to expand into the global market. I'm not going to make this video at all about politics or the CCP, but let's just say this company has the resources to make some pretty fast cars. In a drastic departure from their lineup of luxury sedans, Hongqi teased the S9 hypercar in September of 2019. The original prototype has seen a lot of changes since, but the basic elements still remain. Now, I ain't trying to spread propaganda here, but my god, the S9 is actually really attractive. It was designed by Walter de Silva, the former design chief for Volkswagen. Yes, the same Volkswagen that owns Bugatti.
We're going to buy another Bugatti. No, we can't.
The wheelbase is visually lengthened by the long side intakes and large rear overhang. I also noticed a sort of invisible A-pillar design that really helps improve the lines. And it looks like there's also some optional carbon fiber ground effects and window louvers. But my favorite feature is definitely the headlights. They were styled after the Nacaduct, an aerodynamic intake originally designed for aircraft, which has since been used on all types of exotics and race cars. It's definitely a huge and creative improvement from the lights on the original prototype, which genuinely looked like duck webs. Now, in order to make the S9 perform just as well as it looks, Hongqi teamed up with Silk EV, an automotive engineering firm that specializes in new energy technology. Their Ferrari Muncher will be powered by a plug-in hybrid drivetrain, which includes a V8 and 3 electric motors for a total system output of 1,400 horsepower. The brand claims it'll be able to do 0 to 60 in less than 2 seconds, which is faster than the Tesla Roadster, and it'll also have a top speed of somewhere around 250 miles per hour. The S9 might have performance figures that rival Koenigsegg and Bugatti, but its real target competitor seems to be Ferrari. Not only was the latest S9 unveiled in a vivid racing red, but they even copied Ferrari's iconic passenger performance display in the cockpit. In fact, Hongqi has gone to such great lengths to intimidate their rivals that they're even setting up a production facility in Reggio Emilia, Italy. According to Google Maps, that's only 34 kilometers from the Ferrari headquarters in Modena. At its top speed of over 400 kilometers per hour, the S9 would take only 5 minutes to reach the prancing horse's doorstep. All of this does come at a cost though, which is reported to be somewhere around $1.4 million per car, of which only 99 will be sold. Let me know your opinion about the S9 in the comments below, but again, please keep it non-political. This is just a car channel for entertainment. Anyways, I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace!